Hi, I'm Janos, and in this video I will show you how to create your own review widget and how to insert it into your website in under 3 minutes. To display your best reviews, join the 17,000 websites currently using our review widgets and increase your sales by up to 20%. In addition to increasing your sales, the widget will also help you increase customer trust, conversions, and also help you collect new reviews. Google is our most popular platform, and it's proven that Google reviews have the biggest impact on sales. Therefore, we recommend you to focus on Google reviews and collect and display them on your website. I will show you how to create the most popular review widget. After logging into your Trustindex account, navigate to the Widget Configurator menu and choose Review Widgets. You will first need to select a widget layout. You have several options, as we currently offer over 35 different layouts using the following schemas: slider, list, grid, masonry, sidebar, button, badge, and floating widgets. The slider 1 with header is our most popular product because with this header you can not only display your ratings, but it also helps you to collect them. It's also important to note that all of our widgets are fully mobile responsive, so they also help to increase conversions and sales for mobile visitors. One of our most exciting features is the new review widget layout, slider 1 with AI summary. This layout provides you with a short summary created by ChatGPT in the first review card of your slider widget. It summarizes the content of your reviews displayed in your widgets in just one sentence, giving your visitors a taste of what they can read about in your reviews. It is especially beneficial to use this layout when you have reviews with long texts. To select the layout of the widget, just click on the green Select button. After this, you have to choose your widget style. Currently, we offer over 25 pre-designed widget styles. Our most popular style is light background, which is currently used by over 8,000 businesses. But if you have a dark or black website, you can find a style that suits you at the bottom of the page. Simply click on Select again. After this, you will be taken to the style editor of your widget, and here you can make changes in your widget functionality and design settings. Our main features are the rating filter, which you can set to display only your 5-star ratings. The language of reviews, which can be set to the one your website uses. The Translate Reviews feature can be turned on so that your reviews will be translated into the language of your choosing. With the Rich Snippets setting, your ratings can be displayed on the Google search results list. Our other features include review filter settings, where you can choose the review platform source, number of reviews, order, and so on. Card format settings. The review card elements can be adjusted. Navigation. You can change the way your widget moves. Style and color settings. You can further personalize the color scheme and style of the widget. And other settings, where you can choose the refresh rate of your review widget. Then take a look at the widget preview on the right to make sure it is up to your liking. Finally, click on the Save and Get Code button on the top right, where you can find the shortcode for your own review widget. Now all you have to do is copy and paste this code into your website script. We hope you liked this video and found it easy to set up your own review widget. If you would like to get to know more about Trustindex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop, where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the Trustindex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your Trustindex account.